Good morning, traders. I hope you are having a good day, and as usual, it's always a good day to trade. So, without further ado, let's begin. Well, for today, the market has already given a really good 200 300 points fall from its opening, and we are going to get a really good shorting opportunity. Well, we already missed one shorting opportunity when it fall below its previous day high and the 21 period moving average, but we didn't short because it didn't came to retracement, and this is the retracement now, and we are going to short here. The candle is going up, and that's it. We are short in this trade, and we're going to keep a target below its the R1 because there is a chance it would fall. But there are quite a bit problems. The first is the today's low. You could see from which it has bounced has a really good support, and previously it has acted a really good support. In on previous day itself, the region was been consolidated for around 1.5 hours and then given a really good upside momentum. So there's a really high chance that it might go up from here. But the logic was the same. Market has fallen down for shorting, and the second got rejected from 21 period moving average as well as you could see the pivot point. So that was the reason why we have gone short here, but we are not very confident in this trade. If the market broken down below the black line which we have drawn now, there is a really good chance it might achieve our target. But if it took support at that point, there is a really good chance that it might go up and give us a really bullish momentum. So we are going to wait and see what's going to happen in the market. Well, as expected, the market is taking support at this point, and we have trailed the stop loss to below a point of entry, and I think it would go and hit a stop loss. Yes, you could see in this candle. I think asset would be gone, but it's okay. We expected the market to move like this thing, but if you analyze the chart at this point of time, you could see the bank nifty is making a clear cut W pattern, which gives a really good sign of a really bullish momentum upside. So even if we lost our SL in this thing, we would get out in a loss. We would take roughly 9 points, which is okay. It would cover for the brokerage charges, and then we will look for a buying opportunity in this market, because as the market has already fallen so high, long in the bullish trend, we think that this might be a retracement which is over now, and that bullish trend would continue further. So we're hoping for a long side entry, and we would enter in the market if we definitely get a really good chance. But for now, I think this candle might be the one that take a stop loss. And yes, definitely our stop loss has been hit, but it's okay. We anticipated this thing, so let's wait for the next entry. Well, if you like this video or this kind of video, trade trading video, definitely make sure you smash that like button and don't forget to comment down below. Well, as expected, the market is going up and forming a W pattern, and it might go up as the depth of the W. So we would see around 100 to 120 points movement upside easy, and we are going to capture that movement. So we would buy for if this candle closes about the 20 period moving average and it comes down to a retracement, take a support at this point and then start moving forward. So we're hoping to see that kind of momentum or that kind of pattern, so we would take anything. But even if you could see it is at the edge of the neckline of W, even if this get broken, it could definitely might show a sharp upside momentum, but we are definitely going to wait for some time. Well, the bank nifty has closed and we have entered the market at this point. So the bank nifty has closed about the pivot and we have entered. So let there be some momentum first, and then I will give you the reason why we have entered in this market. but we are hoping it would give a really good momentum upside, a bit quite a few ups and downs, but eventually it would hit our target at the end. Well, the bank nifty is surely moving, but it's moving on the opposite side and it's going down a bit. But it's okay. Our trade was based on logic and good reasoning. So, reason number one, why we have taken this trade, it has closed about 21 period moving average. Reason number two, it closed above the pivot point. Reason number three, it has closed and it roughly break the W pattern neckline. Reason number four, you could see if you analyze the bank nifty chart, it has fallen roughly around 200-300 points continuously. We also waited for shorting opportunity after 3 to 4 candles. You could see after the fall, but we didn't get any retracement, so we have to short at the bottom and got a stop loss hit. So this was the reason why we have buyed here, because we expect a upside retracement which could trigger the SLs of the seller and give us a continuous bullish market as we expected in this week. But it's taking a really bit close to a SL and it's taking support at 21 period moving average. As expected, it formed a really good bullish candle. If the second candle of this thing is also bullish, there's definitely a really good chance that it would take the SL of the sellers and we would get a really good upside momentum. So let's wait and see how does that go. You could see that as expected, the market has gone bullish again, and the second candle also formed a bullish. So it's really good. We could see a target getting achieved, but there's a bit problem that the spot chart is moving a bit faster than the futures chart. So in spot chart, if you analyze, it is roughly near the first swing low which the bank nifty has made, where the potential SL would be the present, and in futures chart it is yet to get achieved or to move that high. So we are hoping it might move up, but we are definitely not going to take a bit risk, and we are going to cut this trade short as soon as in the spot chart we see a target get achieved on the higher end of this thing. So let's wait and see. So it might be in just a couple of candle in this candle, or it might get achieved in second candle, because in spot chart it is really close to that point. Secondly, if you could see the red candle that it has formed, it's really a good sign of bearish momentum. So and that's it. We have cut our trade short and we are out of the market with roughly around 65, 70 points, and that's it. We The risk to reward ratio in this thing was 1:1, and which was not good as per our standards, but it's okay. We didn't feel any comfortable holding this trade any longer, and that's why we got out a bit early. So that's it for today, traders. Hope you enjoy this video. Well, the market did achieve a target in after a retracement. So there is a couple of things that I observed about myself during trading. That is, I got scared easily and got out without taking a retracement really good, because in this trade also and in a previous one also I got out of the market a bit early. So this is thing I observe and I hope I would improve this thing. And if you observe such thing in my trading style or my trading any stocks, do let me know down in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video or this kind of video, share this thing, subscribe, and don't forget to press that notification bell. And thank you for watching this video. Well, hey, do you want to know what my best week of trading and what was my worst week of trading? Click on the first video. And if you are interested in trading related stuff, click on the second video, which is the highest profit I have made so far during my trading journey.